Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with another DEK unboxing. So I took it out of the envelope, but as you can tell, as I'm opening the package, I have not peeked in yet. So, let me see here. Hold on. I've got a note. Let me see. So sweet. Oh, she's so sweet. Okay. This is a little message from Dawn, the D of DEK. And she always, oh, I can't believe it. Oh my goodness, this looks like my extras. Oh, okay, hold on. Now I really have to look at the message here. Okay. Yep. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at all these extras. Okay. Whew, I'm going to have to set these to the side and we'll look at these after. Let's look at the kits first. Okay. Gorgeousness. This one is pastel petals and I love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so here is, get this back. One. Oh my goodness. Look at the girls. I love that. That is beautiful. Love the gray hair. Okay, and then here is the washi and the days of the week with some functionals, some half boxes or side box in a planner. Here are the scallops with the decoratives and then work and the banner, which I love. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love that. The little cottage. How beautiful. Okay, let me scooch it down a little bit so we can get everything in. Okay, here is the gorgeous headers and functional headers and date dots and functionals. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this. This one again is called Pink Petal or Pastel Petals. Absolutely beautiful. Let me get this out of the way because we're going to get to all that in a minute. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love it. So here's that one. Yay. Now, number 2. Let's see here. Okay, this one is called Boho Spring. Love that. That is gorgeous. I grew up in the 60s and 70s, and I grew up with rust carpet, rust shag carpet. I know, ooh. So I was really anti-orange. I mean, I really got to the point where I was so sick of orange. I didn't want to see orange again. I didn't want to see avocado green again. And I didn't want to see orange and yellow sunflowers again. It's coming back around. I think probably because my hair's red now. I've actually colored my hair and it's red. So it has a lot of orange in it. I find myself even looking at orange clothes, which I would never wear before. So I love this. I really, really do. And oh, look at that washi. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the hearts. And then you've got your days of the week. And oh, rose gold. You guys know how I feel about rose gold. And it was the only color for this, clearly. Oh, so beautiful. I love the tans. This just reminds me of New Mexico. I mean, I'm not going to lie. It's just the colors. I love it. Oh, it has such a gorgeous feel to it. The decorative banners, the scallops, the half scallops. I mean, these are the eyelet scallops is what I call them. The half scallops. I love it. Love all the work. Beautiful. Look at the lists. Oh, I love that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then here is that beautifulness with the glitter headers, the labeled headers, the date dots, the functionals. Absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, look at the coffee girl. Love it. Love it. Super cute. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, Dawn has outdone herself and done another one. This one is called Boho Spring. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, last one. I love this one. I hope you're going to love it. This one is called Belle. Beauty and the Beast Belle. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the colors. I love it's pinks and greens and blues, but it's like a rose-colored pink. It's so pretty. And there's the days of the week. Love it. And then here's the washi, functionals, the half boxes or the sidebar. Look at the rose. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the banner, the eyelet scallop, the half scallops, the work. Look at the decoratives. There's the clock. Look at the rose. Love it. The teapot. Okay. Oh, look at the library. Isn't that beautiful? And then last but not least, glitter headers, labeled headers, date dots, functionals, and look, isn't it gorgeous? I know. Okay, it is really hard to say which one is my favorite. I really love all three of them, but I am going to say that one's really neat. I love that one. Okay, so there's those three kits. Now, let's see what extras are here. I don't think I ordered these. If I did, no, these are from Dawn. Okay, so this is Boo Bear Me Time. Oh, goodness. Did you know I needed that, Dawn? Thank you, if you're listening. Oh, and Charlotte, too. Thank you. Oh, I love that. Oh, so sweet. Oh, my goodness. It just makes me feel rested looking at that. I need it right now. Oh, work blank to blank. I needed this so badly when I took on all my parents' stuff. I didn't do it. I should have done that. Guys, if you work for other people and you donate your time, you need to record that. I'm serious. People never believe you work the way you work. And, unless they're in your house or they're in your office, they just never know. Look at these extras. Those are for our PR team that I'm on. I'm also on the design team. I so love this. Thank you. Thank you, Dawn. Look at that gorgeousness. I mean, that goes with that. Oh, that totally goes with that. I'm just going to put that there. Love it. And look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? Seriously. Maybe even there. Okay. I just want to say this so makes my day. I love ephemera. I love sticker ephemera. It has been a really rough week for me. A very rough weekend. And this just made my day. So thank you, Dawn, if you're listening. If not, you will get a message from me today. This is the kind of stuff that I love to use in my Bible, in my journals, in my memory keeping, in so many things. So yeah, this just totally makes my day. And because I am on the DEK design and PR team, this will be perfect for me to journal about my journey with DEK. I can put our pictures back here. I just printed it out. I love this of the team. I just think that's great. Look at that gorgeousness. Isn't that beautiful? That pretty peach. And I love the little, I guess, metal stud. So cute. Uh-oh, we've got a little gnat in here. Okay. Sorry, guys. Look. Oh, I so need this. I love hibiscus, fruit. Oh gosh, bows. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that planner. I love that. The shades, the cactus. Here's some more cacti. Tough but beautiful. Oh, I don't feel very much that way right now, but I do love the encouragement. Again, love all of that. Gorgeous. Look at that. I love that. That is so sweet. And look, I have one of these and it looks just like that. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out, is it that way? That way. Hey, it doesn't matter because you're always turning it to take the picture. The lipstick. Now, I'm not a coral lipstick girl, but my mom was. So I may put that with my mom's picture. My mother loved corals and peaches. She was that gal. I love that purse, though. Oh, I'd love to have that in real life. And there we go. Wow. Dawn, I hope you're going to make these an offering on the website. I would purchase these little bags beyond belief. So, all right, friends, I hope you guys have enjoyed this and all the beautiful extra goodies that were sent by my dear sweet boss. What an amazing woman. She totally floats my boat and makes my day, no doubt. And when you order from her, guess what? You get extra goodies all the time. I know. So, here is the, pastel petals. Absolutely gorgeous. The Boho Spring. Absolutely gorgeous. And the Belle. So tell me which one is your favorite. It could be from over here, from all the extras. But if you liked one of the particular kits, tell me below which one you like the best. Okay, friends, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Remember, when we hit 1,400, there will be a big DEK giveaway. So I'm super excited to do that for y'all. And most importantly, I pray your day. So subscribe if you're not subscribed. There you go. In order to be in the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to this channel. So, okay, enough business. Most importantly, pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for being here. Y'all be safe. Have a great day. It's a gorgeous day here. I hope it's the same for you. All right, friends. I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Love you. Bye-bye.